What should be our four guiding principle? One guiding principle is that, as I was mentioned, culture. So start with the customer first design thinking. Uh, when we do it naturally, we have to gel in with uh, connect and work with the Sharia government, our Sharia department, apply proper Sharia governance framework, because we need to avoid all sort of processes which are not Sharia compliant. Right, it's from the start of the journey, customer journey, to the level of the booking or financing. So we need to be tightly connected with Sharia governance framework. There should be API strategy and platform. We discuss in details. We should build to change. So whatever technology we procure, we make sure that this technology is future. And then what should we do? We start with DevSecOps. We start organizing ourselves. Go to cloud model first. Apply lean agile principle. Do A/B testing. Generate new revenue stream by leveraging the API we are going to build. So connect with all those ecosystem, and I will show you some example of what are some of the ecosystem. Uh, yeah, this is something, a statement. I will not go into it because we already done with the time. But customers, first thinking, what is it? So we need to empathize with the customer, do interviews, define the personas of whatever slice dice we have done with the data, ideate it with the peers, share idea, the ideas which are worthy, take them, refine them more, do testing, and then inshallah roll it out. I iterate quickly, improve it, continuous improvement. One of the example of customer first design would be that, as a normal mobile bank user, I will just go, I will just see my checking, savings account, financing, whatever I have. But when we apply personalization, customer centric approach, then if I'm a transactor, if I'm a person of 18 to 21-year old, my cash flow is not much. I'm a more transactor. I'm just paying bill. Then I will see, hey, you know what? If you upgrade your account balance with such amount, then you get a 10% cashback. Right. Other idea is, there's another person who is 22, 32-year-old salaried customer, good cash flow, frequently deposit money. He's searching and navigating into our savings account and whatnot, but he does not open a savings account now. So can I offer him a Sharia compliant mutual fund? So that's the personalization. He should be able to see it, press that button, and then go inside and apply. Other example could be, I'm 20-year-old salaried class person. 7 day after 7 day, I get my salary, I start paying bill and house rent. That's what I do every day, right? So sometime I'm down in my balance. So I think this is the time I need to have a personal financial system should all detect it based on my personalization engine. The pricing engine should throw me an offer, and then take it. I should be able to apply some of the digital first model. We were talking about the ecosystem, so we can connect with the API we have. We can connect with Muslim Association, Masjid, realtors, fintechs. We can do exciting stuff, and time is not much, but let's see. We need to create a beautiful, customer friendly user experience, and avoid just doing cosmetical change, but try to do some real changes in the core architecture, so we are able to deliver it faster. Digitization deliver profits at the last. It's not about just we just invest time and resources and we don't have any benefit. This is the BDO 29 research report. In last 12 months, when they asked bank in last 12 months what benefit you have seen from the digital transformation, 71% said they have seen increased revenue from digital initiative. uh, right. uh, and then 74% say that they have seen the profitability, net margins. In the next, what they foresee, they see 85% anticipate that they increase revenue by 37%, 79% feels that the profitability increase by 40 to 10% or more, right? So it's benefit. Top digital challenges. When we go digital transformation, we must not forget that cyber attacks and data privacy is a thing, and it's happening. It's not about digitization. Even if the legacy infrastructure today, that's a threat. So we need to be very mindful of that. So most of the bankers or the people who were doing transformation said that cyber attacks was one of the major threat, followed by establishing the right metrics for KPIs. Then barrier to implementing. The last one was lack of skill. naturally human skill is very important, and we need to work on it. We need to upgrade ourselves, inshallah, and TAIF is there. Uh, One of the example, I would say, a real example of conventional bank, DBS, the Singapore bank. They what they did is that they have a traditional bank and they have a separate platform-based banking, right? So just touch it high level, see the operating expense. If you see the black one here, this is their normal traditional bank like we have, and then they have a digital bank, which is red. So we see the operating expenses more than 55% or 54%, right? It's like always increasing, sometime decreasing. But if you see the digital bank, it started from 40, now it's going down, and it will go down because the more customer you have, the beautifulness about the digital, being digital, is that the more uh, customer base you have, the more infrastructure cost, operating expense go down, right? uh, Job landscape we see from our angle, inshallah. TAIF is working on Islamic fintech course. We are also going to be launching out some good courses in addition to Islamic fintech. Digital project management, digital BA, agile, microservice architecture. What is that? API management. How you can do that? Digital transformation. All those, I think, they are for people who are looking into the going entering into or supporting, they want to support Islamic finance digitization. I think they should focus on such courses that we are going to launch.
Islamic finance learning made simple and memorable.